going on a walking tour, and we have our whispers where we put in our headphones.
We have our whispers, and we're about to go on a walking tour around Prague and for 3 hours. See, indulge in the culture.
We have started the walking tour with our whispers on. Abby, say hi.
Hey.
Oh.
So we're listening to the tour guide, and she's walking us to the castle.
Fun fact, Prague is the biggest city in the Czech Republic. What can I say? I'm a nerd. Good morning, Prague! Today we're out here by the castle. And we are in the town. Oh, Starbucks. And they built a beautiful Starbucks right by the palace.
Look at all the beautiful buildings.
Can't really see it, but it's over there, I promise. Look at this cool tower. It's actually a castle.
But look at this view.
Nope, the view's down here. The view's down here.
Oh, Shirley Temple.
Shirley Temple?
Yeah, that's what she's talking about. Oh. About the drink.
We're in Prague. We just saw the view of the whole city. Now we're walking down to Old Town.
Okay, so we just went in the Catholic church. It's that church. Show me the sign. And we walked through it, and there was a couple really pretty paintings. We saw the confessional booth, and there was a guy. I'm not entirely sure what was going on because they were speaking in
Singing
Latin.
in Latin. Think of Prague.
I think it's amazing. There's so many things to see, and it's like Easter time about, so there's like different decorations.
Hey, we're with Haley, and we're in Prague today, and we get a decent amount of free time. Haley, what are you planning to do?
We're planning to make charm bar bracelets and then go get these like cones filled with like, I think ice cream. I don't know. Leah said it looked good. Miss Cherznowski already got one. She did not wait. And then I think just shopping. Looking for like the rest of our souvenirs. And like, yeah.
Guys, it's really pretty out here.
There's a nice, pretty view. We are on the other side of the bridge thing. And this is what the other side looks like.
Right here.
Walking over a bridge. It is so pretty.
It's available here on the market on this island. So that later on they go their residences with their houses.
There are so many statues. Maddie, say hi. Hi, vlog. Here's a very pretty bridge with a very nice view. Okay, we touched the statue, and if you touch one side, it gives you good luck, and then if you touch another side and you make a wish, your wish will come true. We touched both. Yeah, we did.